listen, if you already think your videos look so great in Ecamm, and because you're using Ecamm, I know they look so great, you are going to love live motion like this. Isn't that cool? I don't know if you people are understanding. Let me show you. In Ecamm, we have various different transition options, and I truly hope that you are playing with all these different transitions because there's a lot that are exciting to use. But live motion is hands down one of my favorite. And what that means is that your cameras, your scenes, your things like so will just move like this. There's so many unique ways that you can do this. Let's play around with it a little bit. I am going to duplicate this scene and let's just move everybody to different random spots. Now, if I switch between the two scenes, they will have live motion between the scenes and relocate to the new place that you put them. Now, if you go to a scene that is just a camera, it will pop out. And then when you're ready to go back, it will move back into place. And this is just a really fun way for you to make some dynamic changes in your scenes to keep your audience interested in all the fun that you're having, because I'm having a lot of fun playing with them. There's so many things that we can do with it. So I want you to keep experimenting with live motion. I'm going to keep playing with it and let me know because I want to compare notes. I mean, how cool is that? So cool. It's so cool. It's so cool. Right, Gizmo?
Isn't it cool? Isn't it cool?
It's really cool.